Hello friends, welcome to I-RADHA's channel. Today I am going to show you how to tie ghonghroo's using the correct technique. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Hold one end of the ghongroo string and the first ghongroo right above your ankle bone and wrap the string around your big toe. Hold it tight so it doesn't get loose. Make sure the braided part faces inwards. Start wrapping the ghonghroo's around your leg. The first layer should be right above your ankle bone. Continue to wrapping, making sure that there is no gap between the layers. Keep pushing the layers together as you wrap. When you are finished wrapping, hold the end in one hand, untie the other end from around the big toe, pull the string up diagonally through the ghonghroo's. Wrap the extra string around your leg at the top. You can adjust the length as needed. Tie a tight knot above the top layer. Then tie a half bow knot. Tuck the loop around the ghongroo. Tuck the loose ends of the knot inside the string. Shake the bells with both hands to adjust them. Repeat the same steps for the other leg. You are now ready to dance.